This is called Hardy plank. There's fiber in here mixed with cement itself, and they compress it. It's a pretty heavy product. They warranty the paint for 15 years, so every 3 to 5 years you need to paint or stay in cedar, opposed to 15 years with this. This comes pre-primed, so when you put it up, you only have to paint it once. It is made of fiber and cement, and it's compressed. We use galvanized ring nails in a gun. As you can see, this stuff's really on there. Two and 7/16. He cuts this with a special Hardy plank blade. Oh, John, you're the best. Everything's top nailed, so all the nails are hidden. When the painter comes in behind me, he'll caulk all these gaps. The fiber cement itself doesn't shrink and expand. 15 3/4 to 13 to 13. 15 of them. This is too big. These are too big. All right, now we're getting somewhere.